Engineered for the extraordinary. You feel Phantom X by Zara Studio.
Awaken your inner light. Annul, Luminescence by Zara Studio.
Imagine creating a luxury level CGI ads that looks like it cost over $50,000, but you spent $0. Sounds impossible? Let me prove it. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to generate cinematic jaw-dropping CGI ads using JSON prompts in Veo3. And the best part is you won't spend a single cent. And no, you don't need to be a coder or a professional 3D artist. If you can type, you can do this. By the end of this video, you will know how to build professional looking CGI ad scenes from scratch using JSON prompts to control every details from the camera angle to the lighting, and tap into the Veo3 hidden potential without paying for premium tools at all. First off, what is JSON prompt? JSON prompt is just a very detailed description that helps you give a well-detailed prompt to any image or video generation platform you would love to generate from. It gives details like tags, the context, the instruction, the length, the format, the style, the camera angles, the keywords, and content preference, and so many other things like that. I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to generate JSON prompts, and we're going to be using ChatGPT to our advantage, so you don't have to crack your head or think about how to come up with a JSON prompt. And that is the more reason you should watch this video to the very end. Don't skip any parts. Like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel because a lot of more value content awaits you. The very first thing to do is give ChatGPT the idea of the advert that is already in your head. And if you don't have any, not to worry, just type in this prompt right here. Give me 5 viral CGI advert prompts for, put in the product name you want to advertise, and just add a thing or two from your idea to it, and ChatGPT will perform the magic for you. And you can read through the advert prompts and see if you have to add anything or remove from it. The next thing is for you to now give ChatGPT another prompt to convert the script that it already gave you into a JSON prompt script, and that is all. And ChatGPT is going to give you a JSON prompt script. All you have to do is look through it and see whatever you don't like or add whatever you want to be added to it. Now copy the JSON prompt and take it to Google Flow where Veo3 lives. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to get access to Veo3 for free for 1 month. So if you don't know how to, watch the video till the very end. Now make sure you are on text to video and make sure you are on Veo3 fast and your output is 1 so that you don't burn your credits. Veo3 fast will only cost you 20 credits. Paste in your prompt right here and hit the enter button and gently wait for Veo3 to cook this for you. While that one is processing, let's copy the next prompt and paste it right here so that it can keep generating all together and we can see the results. Our very first video is ready, guys. Let's play it and see what it sounds like.
Awaken your inner light. Annul, Luminescence by Zara Studio.
And also the second video. Isn't that amazing, guys? This is beautiful. To download your video, click on the video and hit the download button at the top right corner. You can decide to upscale it at no extra cost. And once it is ready, you download it, but I'm just going to download the original. And that is how I was able to generate all the videos you saw at the beginning of this video in various designs and styles. Now let me show you how to get access to Google Flow, Veo3, all for free. Go to Google and type in the word Google AI Pro. Click on the very first option there and it will bring you here. Click on Google AI Pro and click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you want to click on Get Google AI Pro and agree to the terms of service. Once that is done, it takes you to the next stage. Input your ATM card details. Don't worry, you will not get charged. You have 1 month all for free. Do that, and once you subscribe before the 1 month end, make sure you cancel your subscription. If you just followed this process, congratulations, you have officially unlocked a skill most brands pay agency thousands of dollars for, and you did it all for free. Now go into the world and make money with this skill. If you got value from this video, kindly give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome and amazing content like this. Let me know, what product are you going to be using JSON Prompt to create stunning advert for in the comments section. And if there's anything you would love me to create content about, kindly drop it in the comment section. If you also have questions, please drop it in the comment section. Till I come your way next time, I remain your humble girl, Zara. Before you go, do well to check out some of my previous videos and you will never be disappointed. I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Bye.